You just saw Jeff sanding the whole guitar up to 220 grit, and we're getting ready to put the new finish on it. But before we do, we want to address the peg head. It has a lot of lacquer checking in it, but we don't want to sand this back down to bare wood because the bare wood is actually probably pear wood. Some light colored wood that Gibson would then put a dye on, and after they did their inlays, they'd sand off the dye. Well, first the inlays, then the dye. And you can see right along the truss rod channel, just with the little bit of scuffing Jeff did on the surface, it's already exposing the bare wood. So rather than try to restain it and not damage the inlays and all that, what we're going to do is spray a couple of really thin coats, well, of just lacquer thinner on the surface. And we're hoping that will soften the lacquer that's there and make a lot of this checking go away. The fretboard and bindings are masked. There'll still be overspray that gets on the bindings, but this should save us quite a lot of time after the color goes on. We thought we'd probably go with the more or less traditional Cremona brown finish. Maybe keep the back a little bit lighter than what I've seen on most of these guitars, just because there's some pretty interesting figure in this wood. But mostly it's going to be a two-tone sunburst on the top, and then a fairly uniform brown color for the back sides and neck. First, I'm going to spray the yellowish orange center, and then I'll blend in the darker edges and get the rest of it done. let's see what this is going to look like. The lacquer's been sitting for a couple of hours, so it's dry enough to peel the tape away, but not really dry enough to scrape any overspray.
Always my favorite part of the Sunburst.
Oh, me too. Yeah, just exposing the bindings and the contrast. Well, we're going to have fun scraping bindings, Jeff. I can see that.
My favorite.
It's at least as much fun as taping them off. Anyway, it's going to look pretty nice.
Lovely.
Check out the new stuff on the fretboard.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty close to the original color.
Yeah, it sure is.
And this lacquer checking on the peg head has filled in nicely. I think once we get some clear coats on it, it's not going to show at all. Huh. So there it is.
Beautiful. Well done.
Thank you. Yeah, that.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, barely a shade difference.
Yeah, just barely.
Yeah.